Here's a quick update and look on the removal of Splash's water park and the Lighthouse. What's happening, everybody? We were in the neighborhood, and because many have asked, we decided to take a quick look at the demolition and update of Splash's water park that we covered last month. First thing you'll notice is that the giant lighthouse has been removed from this location. And this lighthouse wasn't built just for aesthetic purposes to complement a water park. No. This is the same lighthouse that once stood in front of the Magic Harbor Amusement Park location back in the 1980s. If you're unfamiliar with that amusement park, that is the location that's currently occupied by Pirate Land Campgrounds on the south end. But before that, it was the same lighthouse which stood atop the Ocean Forest Hotel that was built in the late 20s. That's 1920s for any of you youngins out there. Just a mile or so north from where the Skywheel is now. But it was mercifully removed before the hotel was demolished in the 70s. There's a good chance that it wasn't destroyed with the water park. At least for history's sake, we all hope so. And here's a tripping hazard. Looks like a boulder has rolled off the mound and onto the walkway right on Ocean Boulevard. Another observation is the complete removal of Daddy-O's ice cream. And the arcade that lined the street. Only some of the foundations remain. At this point, although many have speculated, we're not really sure what will be coming to replace this landmark. So you can see they removed much more since the last time we were here. At this rate, it should be cleared out by spring. But we'll see. Well, it wasn't much, but that was a quick look at what remains of the Splash's water park. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel for updates around the beach so you can keep beaching.